Hey there, car owners. Ever been in that frustrating situation where you're rushing to work or running errands and your car battery just dies? It's the worst, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to boost your car battery so you never get stuck again. Let's dive in. First things first, you need a set of jumper cables and a donor car. Trust me, it's easier to find a helpful person than to find jumper cables when you're in a jam. So always keep a set in your trunk. Alright, here's what you do. Step 1. Get the vehicles in position. The donor vehicle should be close to the dead car, but not touching. You want the jumper cables to reach comfortably. Step 2. Turn off the ignition in both vehicles. Make sure they're in park and engage the parking brakes. Turn off all accessories. Step 3. Find the positive and negative terminals on your dead battery. The positive terminal is marked with a plus and is usually red. The negative is black or marked with a dot. Pro tip. Avoid connecting to the negative terminal directly. Use grounding points instead. Step 4. Connect the positive jumper cables. Attach one red clip to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Then connect the other red clip to the positive terminal of the donor car's battery. Step 5. Connect the negative terminal. Connect the black clip to the negative terminal on the donor car's battery. Step 6. Connect the remaining clamp of the cable to an unpainted metal surface on the dead car's engine. This ensures solid grounding and reduces the risk of sparks. Step 7. Start the donor vehicle and let it idle for a few minutes. How long? Well, if the dead battery is old or has been dead for a while, it might need a bit more time. If it's just drained from leaving the lights on, a few minutes should do. Step 8. Disconnect the jumper cables in reverse order. First, remove the black clamp from the engine block of the dead car. Then the other black clip from the donor battery. Next, take off the red clip from the donor battery, and finally, the red clip from the dead battery. Be careful not to let the clips touch each other or any metal surfaces. Step 9. Drive to a safe location. Once your car is up and running, drive it to a place where you can get help if the battery dies again. Depending on its condition, your battery might need another boost, and there you have it. Remember, safety first. Always wear gloves and eye protection, and if you're ever uncertain, don't hesitate to call a professional. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more car tips. Catch you next time.